Welcome. I am so excited, and so is Miss Tristan, because we just got a book delivery today, and it's February 2022, and these are some of our brand new books that I'm unboxing today. A lot of these I kind of took a peek in. I looked at the list. It looks like a lot of picture books, but we'll see. There's kind of a mixture.
Cool.
So I'm pretty excited.
Let's take a look.
All right, Miss Tristan. Argo. Is it Ergo or Argo?
I don't know.
It's Ergo, I think. Or
Ergo?
Ergo. Either way, it's about a chick, and it's great for spring.
Oh, it's very cute.
And who's it by? Alexis Deakin. Check it out. This one looks really good. All right, what do you see?
Ooh, this one's about dancing.
Oh, yeah.
Mambo, mucho mambo.
Oh, yeah.
Woo.
Oh, I love books about dancing because I love to dance. Do you
Yeah,
guys
me
know
too.
that? You
Ooh,
probably don't
this
know
looks
that.
Cool. I like that.
Yeah. Oh, The Dance That Crossed Color Lines. This is by Dean Robbins. And
Cool.
This is a nonfiction ebook.
Ooh, look what's up next.
Oh, Off Limits by Helen Yoon.
Cool.
Yay.
This looks nice. Nice picture book.
Is it a good read aloud for
Looks
story
like
time?
it. Somebody's got tape all over them.
Oh my gosh, somebody's getting into
It's a
trouble.
good silly one.
Oh, so silly.
Oh,
This one looks so
boy.
awesome.
One Dinosaurus, two.
It's a counting book with dinosaurs.
Oh my God,
It doesn't
I
get any
love
better than that.
it.
Who's it by, Miss Tristan?
It is by Kim Norman.
Ooh, so that would be under JJNOR when it goes through.
Mm-hmm.
Check it out.
Perfect. I
Mhm.
already did this one, so.
Yeah,
I'm
oh.
gonna find...
Oh no, I'm redoing this whole thing.
Oh, okay.
I'm
all right.
unboxing
I'll
again.
edit that out. Oh my
Even
gosh.
Robots Aren't Perfect by Jan Thomas.
I like
so
that.
Cool.
She's so funny.
She is the funniest author. Oh, it looks like it's a little bit of a comic booky sort of setup.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.
Ooh, suspenseful. It's by Chris Houghton.
Love
It's gonna
it.
be a good one. They're thinking. Those little apes are thinking.
Pokemon.
Oh yeah,
Woo!
more Pokemon for our collection.
Nice.
Little graphic novel. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Monster food. Let's see. Some monsters like noodles, some monsters like stew.
I never really thought about monster food before.
Me either.
I thought you just ate anything. This is so awesome. Monster food. This is by Daisy Hurst.
Ooh, Geronimo Stilton.
Oh, graphic novel by Geronimo.
Yeah.
No, it's not by Geronimo. It's by Tom Engelberger. But it's about Geronimo. And it's a new part of the new graphic novel Geronimo series. Oh, we always love St. Patrick's Day books because they're so hard to find. And look at this. Peppa loves St. Patrick's Day. Oh, she's celebrating. It's going to be a good read aloud for St. Patty's Day. A lot of snorting go on.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Daddy.
Oh, Zeus the Mighty.
Oh yeah. This is a series of mythology, juvenile fiction. You'll find it in the
Oh yeah, there's
juvenile
a couple
fiction
more
section.
over here too. Cool. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. He's like a hamster.
No, he's playing with the sea monster. Yikes.
Oh, cool. Oh, good pick, Miss Allison. Teaching your child to read.
Teaching your child to read. This one's a good one. Parent's Guide to Encouraging a Love of Reading. This would be a nice one. It's going to be in the parent-teacher section, so look for it there. But it's a good one to get those kids interested.
Nice.
Mhm.
Oh, Unicorn Diaries. Another one.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Unicorns.
Oh, cute. Magic Tree House. Fact checker.
Yep, this is a nice nonfiction. You can tell by the number on the side, you see.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
It's by Mary Pope Osborne,
Ooh.
the author of those Magic Tree House books.
Oh, wow. Look at this guy.
The Search for Z. Oh, a nutty alphabet book. Oh,
Nice.
I love squirrels in action. Oh my gosh, jammed in a jacket. He's looking for something. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love it.
Wow, this is one of those red and black and white.
These are great for babies, newborns to look the contrast colors. Be great. And it looks like nice illustrations too.
Yeah, it
It's called The
does.
Night is Deep and Wide.
Cool.
I should get this one for my grandson. He'd love it.
Pop a little pancake.
Oh, this will be good for our pancake rhyme. Pancake story time. I love it. This is considered a nonfiction book? Is it because
I don't know
it's
about
I think I'm going to put this in with the toddler books.
Yeah, orange dot all the way.
Look for it there.
I'm a far away.
Oh, looks like Grandma that lives far away.
Oh, I think it's probably, it's like a foreign, China.
Foreign story.
Cool. It has some Chinese writing in it too.
Oh, cool. So if you're learning how to read Chinese, you can be perfect.
Be a good one. All this packing tape in here and stuff.
It might be Korean, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Clovis.
Keeps us cool. Now he's a bull and he's in a china shop.
Oh.
So there's a saying about that.
Ask Mom and Dad about that saying, guys.
That's a funny one. What's this one? Lobster
Garden. It's a Boston version. I had to get this when I saw this.
That's funny.
It looks really funny.
The Princess in Black.
Ooh,
Nice.
Next in the series,
New
Princess in
one.
Black, brand new.
That's a narwhal on the back. Cool.
So listen, guys, when we get these books in, what I have to do is I put the pockets in the back. We put a barcode on them, and we put the catalog number on it. We give it to our assistant in the tech services, and she puts it into she puts it into our library catalog. I didn't want to name names. I didn't know if she wanted to be publicized. Anyway, she does all that work in the back, and then the books are ready.
Yeah.
Now, some of these books you'll find in the new fiction section, but some of them will just be on the shelf in the juvenile, in the picture book section, in the preschool room.
Ooh,
right?
Graphic novel alert. Nice.
Red Panda and Moon Bear. Oh, yeah.
Those illustrations are funny.
They are.
Oh, blast off. Oh, it's a kid's book. It's a picture book.
Is that what you call that?
Yeah.
Just kidding. We just did a rocket themed outer space story time today. Oh, Babysitter's Little Sister.
There we go.
Everybody loves these graphic novels.
Nice.
Brand new.
Year in sports, 2022.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
For those sports fans, we need to keep up on that stuff.
That's
Check
it
it out.
for the box.
That's it for the box, guys. Look for these books on the shelf soon, and we're glad you stopped in to listen or to watch our unboxing. See you guys. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye.